Today is the joining of two great families. Thank you for letting us all be a part of this celebration.
These two are pretty incredible individuals, and I just feel so lucky to be a part of their life and also to claim them as my people. You guys are truly a powerhouse couple, and I could not be more excited for you guys in this next new adventure. Savanna is pretty amazing, and I've been able to sit back and watch her accomplish a lot. She is one of the most capable and driven girls. I think I can speak on behalf of all of her friends that she is loved beyond measures.
Savanna is not just my best friend, she is my hero. She is the most selfless, kind-hearted, and accepting human. There's no comparison to my older sister because she holds herself to a higher standard by showing empathy and sympathy to everyone who walks into her life.
My daughter is strong, driven, kind, peaceful girl. And Dan, to my amazement, is also kind of that guy. And I'm like, this is the real thing. This is a good guy. This is the guy I want to marry my daughter. But I am so proud to have you as my son-in-law. And I am so proud of my daughter to find a guy like you.
He does everything in his power to put a smile on Savanna's face. He takes care of her in every possible way. Everything Dan does is so thoughtful and intentional. He is the perfect fit. Dan has shown me the type of love that I hope someone shows me one day.
When I was thinking about today and what I wanted to say to you, the lyric that kept popping in my head is "I'm just so glad you exist" by Dan and Shay. Because the truth is, you are my person, my confidant, my supporter, my ski buddy, and the person who always made me feel the most beautiful person in the room. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I ever could imagine, and more loved than I ever thought possible. I feel so lucky to call you mine, and as my 94-year-old grandma would say about you, he is a catch, never let him go. So like always, I'm going to take her advice and never ever let you go.
I love that you are thoughtful, genuine, and truly kind. I promise to show you for the rest of my life how much I love you. I promise to always encourage you to follow your dreams. I love you because we're good at rolling with the punches. Because we make a great team. So let's hit go. And I promise to put my absolute everything into our journey. And always remember that I loved you most.
I pronounce you Daniel Chad Gardner and Savanna Alexandra Dubell, husband and wife. You may now seal your vows with a kiss.